Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Tuesday, the 23rd of November, 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets, economics and the world of business today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 finished 0.8% higher to end the day at 7,410 points, led by the iron ore miners. The price of the ore is up around 5% over the past 24 hours, and that put a rocket under the share prices of the miners. Fortescue Metals surged more than 10%. Now, it's been sold off in recent weeks, fair enough, and the iron ore price has rebounded. But that is still a massive jump, given Fortescue had no new corporate news out today. It had some friends in the sector. Champion Iron was up 8%, while BHP finished up almost 4%. Rio Tinto was 3.7% higher. Confirmation that Woodside and BHP had inked the purchase of BHP's petroleum business to create a $41 billion oil and gas producer, alongside the decision to give the go-ahead to Woodside's $16.5 billion LNG project, triggered a 3.7% jump in its share price. The banks did well today, with ANZ up nearly 2%, Commonwealth Bank and National Australia Bank up around 1%, and Westpac 0.6% higher. Toll road group Transurban, which has had a rough run of it recently, was up 2.3%. But retailer Bapcor, which owns Autobarn, Autopro and Burson chains, said its long-term CEO would step down, triggering a near 10% drop in its share price. That was easily the worst on the bourse. Most of the tech stocks performed poorly today. The technology sub-index was down 3.5%, while most other indices were higher. Afterpay was off 5.4%, Xero was down 3.5%, and REA Group ended 2.6% lower. The worst of the stocks, though, was WiseTech Global, which finished nearly 6% lower. And listeners will know that our interview this morning was with Stephen Crisp, boss of Racing and Sports, or RAS Technology. It listed on the ASX today, and pleasingly for shareholders, it jumped 8% on opening and finished up nearly 7%. Good on them. The Aussie dollar is trading at 72.3 US cents. Just recapping Wall Street, the tech-heavy Nasdaq closed down more than 1% this morning. The S&P 500 was off 0.3%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average was slightly higher. That's it for the afternoon market report for Tuesday, the 23rd of November, 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Join Michael Thompson and I tomorrow morning for the Wednesday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.